Hi everyone, welcome to day 5. I hope you all felt the deep cleanse from our day for purple soup. Today, we're firing up your metabolism with this zesty Rainbow Detox Salad. It takes just 10 minutes to make, but it's a powerhouse for cleansing, nourishing, and recharging your body. Let's start with the base of our salad. For that, I've chosen 3 green superstars: spinach, romaine, and mint. Spinach nourishes and supports natural detox. Romaine adds hydration and gentle cleansing. And mint brings freshness while supporting digestion. Together, they create the perfect detox base for our bowl. Next comes the vibrant red tomatoes. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, time to add carrots, sweet, crunchy, and packed with beta-carotene for glowing skin. Next, let's add a splash of purple with vibrant cabbage. Packed with antioxidants, purple cabbage supports liver health and adds the perfect crunch. For protein, we're using chickpeas to keep you full and energized throughout the day. Beetroot brings a bold burst of color and a natural energy boost. And finally, cucumber, cool, crisp, and deeply hydrating. It refreshes every bite and helps reduce bloating. Now, let's make a quick, oil-free, metabolism-friendly dressing. Add strawberries, raspberries, garlic, red chili powder, lemon juice, salt, and your favorite sweetener to a blender. Blend until smooth. This ruby red dressing is an antioxidant powerhouse that naturally ignites your metabolism. Now gently drizzle this vibrant dressing all over your colorful saladas. It flows over the greens, chickpeas, and veggies. It brings a burst of freshness and flavor tangy from the lemon, sweet from the berries, with just a hint of spice and garlic for delight, refreshing, and completely oil-free. This dressing transforms your salad into a nourishing detox meal. Your Rainbow Detox Salad is now ready to enjoy. We are almost there. Tomorrow is day 6, and I'm sharing a secret recipe to kill those sweet cravings forever with 0 refined sugar. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the home stretch. See you tomorrow.